Not sure if your photo is okay? Tune in for basic guides in photography. 1. Gear. Choose the right camera and lens for the subject or scene you want to capture. Even smartphones nowadays can give amazing outputs. 2. Sufficient lighting. Whether outdoors or indoors. Make sure that there is enough light. All photographs are light dependent. 3. Horizon. There are some cases where slanting horizons are allowed. But when shooting landscapes or subjects with landscapes on the background, straighten your horizons. Here's the before and after. 4. Photo composition. ROT or rule of thirds. Leading lines. Symmetry and patterns. Framing. Viewpoint. These are some photo compositions which are essential to have a good photo. We'll have a separate video for this so we can discuss each thoroughly. 5. Humor or forced perspective. These are photographs that use optical illusion. Be creative and have lots of fun. 6. Candid. Keep distance. Avoid disturbing the scene. Capture unguarded, priceless, and unrepeatable moments. Lastly, backgrounds. Be mindful of your background. Your subject and background should complement each other rather than overpowering. Check the elements of your photo. Should there be anything inappropriate that can ruin your shot, reposition your subject and shoot again. Examples are hanging cable wires, lampposts, clothes rack, animals pooping, and the like. Did you learn something from this video or help you in any way? Let me know on the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.